Hello everybody, how are you? And welcome back to Crochet Mart, very smart and unique ideas. We will share creative and inspiring tips for crocheting. Today's video is all about animal shaping crochet bags. Crochet bags in a shape of animals can be both a delightful and practical hobby. Here are some benefits to creating or using animal shaped crochet bags. Dear viewers, if you still not subscribe the channel, please subscribe now so that you can find all type of new videos for your knowledge. We will discuss about the first point, creativity and fun. Artistic expression. Designing and making animal shaped crochet bags allow for a lot of creativity. You can experiment with different animal shape, colors or patterns, making each bag unique. Personal satisfaction. Completing a well-crafted bag can be incredibility regarding and fun, adding a personal touch to your accessories. Unique and eye-catching. Stand out. Animal shaped bags are often distinctive and can serve as a fun conversation piece. They can make a statement and add a playful touch to your outfit. Gift potential. These bags can make fantastic and memorable gifts for children or animal lovers. The effort and thought put into a handmade personalized item can be especially meaningful. Dear viewers, if you really love to watch this video, don't forget to share and like so that your friends also can watch such type of unique and beautiful video. Functional benefits. Customizable size. You can crochet bags in various sizes to suit different needs, from small coin purse to large tote bag, all with an animal theme. Practical use. Despite their appearance, these bags can be quite functional. They can hold personal items, serve as a catch-all of essentials, or even be used as a small storage solution. Skill development. Craftsmanship. Working on animal shaped bag can help improve your crochet skills, such as mastering different stitches, techniques and designs. Problem solving. Designing and creating these bags often involves problem solving, like figuring out how to shape the bag correctly and how to assemble different parts. Educational and developmental value. For kids, animal shaped bag can be practically engaging for children, making learning about color, shape and patterns more enjoyable. With the happy ending today's video, hope we'll meet you in next video. Thank you for watching.